Hi, it's Ryan here with an update on how you can keep using video as a marketing tool during this time. Now, the service that I've received the most inquiries about recently is animation. And this makes sense because if you're restricted from having a camera operator come to your office to do filming, animation can basically solve the problem because it means you can get a video made without having to do any filming. The whole process can take place without any face-to-face contact. Dream Engine has produced quite a number of animations over the years for organisations including Motorola Australia, the Future Fund and the Gyms Group. Now, there are many different styles of animation. I can help you choose the right style depending on your audience, the message and your budget. So here are some examples. This is a 2D vector animation video we produced for Motorola Australia. And this has become quite a popular style of animation because it can be produced relatively fast and has a clean corporate style. Another popular approach is to hire a professional presenter. We film them in a studio in front of a green screen and then replace the background. We then add keyword text and animations to reinforce important points. Again, an approach that does not require you to physically be there. You can even attend the filming remotely via Zoom. Another option is hand-drawn pencil or cartoon-style animation. This approach is quick, affordable, and is really effective for explainer-style videos, where you want to make a concept easy to understand. And of course, motion graphics using a tool like After Effects is great for creating energetic, attention-grabbing work. So, if you need to make a video, but you're not able to have filming done, then animation is a great solution.